All right, what is administrative processing? Oh, the famous administrative processing. So if you are going through a green card process that involves a US embassy, a consulate abroad, they will be, processing your case. And in some cases, they have a need to go through extra security steps or extra, um, something that they don't have or that they need or they need to investigate. And that can be a very opaque process, which is why this is why everyone fears and dislikes administrative processing. Sometimes it's a very short thing that they just need to get something additional from you and that's it. So that type of thing we typically avoid because we know what to submit properly. We see more admin processing when people kind of didn't know what to bring to the interview and it wasn't prepared correctly. You can get into the shorter admin processing type of situations. Sometimes the government has potential reason to believe that you are involved in terrorism or a member of a gang or they need to consult the FBI or they need some kind of internal legal review. There's a huge list of some things very serious, some things less so, that can be involved in admin processing. And basically those are things that the embassy themselves is not typically actually performing. They're going to hold your case until they get an answer, but sometimes they have to consult different other parts of the United States government and would wait for an answer. And the thing about admin processing is that it takes an indefinite amount of time. You don't know when you're going to get an answer back. So that can be very frustrating. Um, and this is one of those things where if someone says my case is in admin processing, as an attorney, and this is true for all of our attorneys, we have to know a lot more details about, okay, well, what was the conversation that you had? Did they ask you for anything? Take a look at the letter they gave you to see if we can get any clues about what type of administrative processing you are in. And that gives us more clues about how serious it is, if there's a way for us to fix it, or if it's a situation where we just have to wait and see, wait until they ask for something or wait until they have a response, which can be pretty, as we all know, it's frustrating to wait within an indefinite amount of time. So that's kind of generic information about that particular question, but if you need specific information, then that a consultation would be the best way to do that. But with the understanding that sometimes admin processing, you just have to wait, unfortunately.